Hey, it's 13 July, and from today, our 7th semester is starting. But see, what's going on? Today, just I woke up and I got the timetable, and in the timetable, we don't have classes for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and on Thursday, Friday, we will be having classes, and on Saturdays, there will be labs. So, I got to realize that I have 3 days off in my week, and I can do a shit of work for my skills. So, I started updating my timetable. Yeah, the irony is, I already had 1 month of vacations. I didn't did much. It just I wanna do now because I just got 3 days off in a week, so I feel like I can be productive in that. But the question is, why didn't I was productive in the last month? What I was doing? Was I just using my vacations? Or yeah, that's me. That's how my brain works. And yeah, let's again for the I do not know for which time it is. Again, let's restart for the career thing. Let me build the timetable, then I'll show you. Bye bye. So yeah, coming to the point, I have prepared a timetable. Timetables look like very basic, very minimal. That I will read my book. I will have 2 hours of data analytics in which I'm going to learn new skill and I'm going to build something new. Project management, of course, that's the core of me that I have to prepare. And then interview practices. Interview practices like behavioral questions, critical thinking, and all. Just preparing for those questions and all. Of course, as we were doing is like interview IDS and TDS skill. I was doing something, but that was not enough. So that's much more sorted way of doing it. And of course, for 45 minutes, I just gave myself for aptitude because aptitude is one of the part which has to be a strong part of mine, a strong skill set of mine because that was in every exam it is asked, man. That's it. So that's the timetable, and it's set for Sunday too. It just Thursday, Friday, Saturday is not very sure enough because classes will be there, and I do not want to fill just for filling it. I just not want to fill that timetable. And in between, you can see there are some spaces, so it is completely manageable timetable. There are like 2 hours here, 1 hour here, 2, 3, 4 hours, and 1 year 5. So basically, I just have 5 hours just for myself, in which I will be doing something else, doom schooling and all that. That's also part of life. So yeah, so that's it for today's realization. Bye.